This is the top floor hallway as a living super. Granite counter. Everything is new. Facing the back of the building, so it's quiet. This is north, so you get more light in the morning. If it's a king size bed, it's a very large room. Or it could be a living room too. Huge closet. Deco fireplace. Dim light, you can dim it. That is a dining table, a large couch. But now it's in the afternoon. This is the back, the front of the building, so it's south. The sun's coming from the south. Washer and dryer in the unit with overhead. Separate toilet and has a window and a fan. Got renovated. Everything is brand new. Under heat and hot water is included. The Q train is next door, like a few steps away. Top floor. 4 fly up the stairs.